Good day! Welcome to my tutorial channel. I'm Teacher Beth. I'm here to guide you in learning English too. For today's topic, we will discuss about letters of the alphabet. But before anything else, before we proceed, let me share to you a life encouragement verse that can be seen in Hebrews chapter 13 verse 5 to 6. It quoted this way, I will never leave you or forsake you. The Lord is my helper. I will not be afraid. Don't forget also to like and subscribe for more videos. Sing with me, come on! Ready in 1, 2, 3 and go!
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
In the previous years, you studied about the alphabet and now let's identify the vowel letters. A sounds A. E sounds E. I sounds I. U sounds O. O. And U sounds U. And the consonant letters are B sounds B. C sounds S. K. D sounds Ch. F sounds G sounds K, K, K. H sounds J sounds J, J. K, K. L O O. M M N N P Q Q Q Q R R R S S S S T V V V W W W X X X X X Y E E Z Z Z Z Z. In the Tagalog alphabet, there are two letters added, Enye and Enje. Enye sounds Nye, and Enje sounds Nang or And now let's try to identify the alphabet. Direction. Give the missing letter of the word for each picture. Use your paper and pencil to write down your answer. Are you ready? Are you ready, kids? Okay, do you have your paper there? Ano ito? What is this? Flag. That is a national flag of the Philippines. What animal is that? That is a cat. The first letter sounds k at cat. Cat. And what picture is this? It starts flower. The name of this picture is flower. Flower. What thing is this? Do we use this at home? Do you have this at home? E. Electric fan. We have an electric fan. How about this? Do you use this? Very good. It's letter C. Cup. Cup. And now clap twice if the pictures has a same first sound of each name and once if it is not. Okay, ready. Flower, family. Do they have the same sound? Yes, it has the same sound. Flower, family. And number 2. Rabbit, pig. Do they have the same sound? No, their names are not the same sound. Next, number 3, snake, tree. Do their names have the same letter? Snake, tree. No. Okay, next, number 4, apple, orange. Do their names have the same first sound? No, they don't have the same sound of its name. Number 5, hamburger, soup. Do they have the first sound of its name? No, they don't have the same sound. Next, carrot, car. Do their first name have the same sound? Yes, it has. Car. Carrot, car. And now, let's try it again. Touch your ears if the letter you see is a vowel letter. And touch your chin if the letter you see is a consonant letter. Number 1, O. That is a vowel letter. Touch your ears. Good job. M. M is a consonant letter. Good job. I. I is a vowel letter. Next, Y. Is it a vowel or consonant? That is a consonant letter. Key. Key. Key is a consonant letter. Touch your chin. A is a vowel letter. Touch your ears. Any is a consonant letter. Touch your chin. NG. NG is again, it is a consonant letter. Touch your chin. Good job. Very good. Nice one. E. It sounds E. What do you touch? What part of your body will you touch? That is a vowel letter. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. God bless. Stay tuned. Shout out to Teacher Tess. Shout out to Teacher Vicky. And shout out also to Sir Marv. And shout out to Ma'am Benson. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. This is